Imagine the ultimate blend of classic British elegance and modern American muscle. Ringbrothers, renowned for their extraordinary American muscle car builds and multiple Battle of the Builders victories at the SEMA show, have once again proven their versatility. In 2023, they showcased a supercharged ZL6-powered Rolls-Royce Silver Clab 2, demonstrating their prowess extends beyond Detroit's iron. Now, as Monterey Car Week unfolds, Ringbrothers has unveiled another masterpiece, a 1971 Aston Martin DBS, affectionately named Octavia. This isn't just a Restomod, it's a statement of automotive artistry that might just be the coolest Restomod of the year. The journey to create this magnificent Aston Martin began with a donor DBS, originally equipped with a 5.3-liter V8 engine, producing around 320 horsepower. Under the guidance of designer Gary Regal, the team meticulously transformed the car's shape into something more muscular and aggressive. The front track was widened by 8 inches, while the rear track was expanded by a full 10 inches. But here's where it gets controversial. The original Aston Martin DBS was known for its sleek and elegant design. Some purists might argue that such drastic modifications alter the car's essence. But Ringbrothers' vision was clear: to create a modern masterpiece that pays homage to the past while embracing the future. Underneath the sleek, Coke bottle skin, Octavia boasts a roadster shop fast-track Stage 3 chassis with an independent rear suspension. The wheelbase was extended by 3 inches, enhancing both stability and visual appeal. The chassis is paired with RSSV by Fox Racing fixed-valve coilovers, Brembo brakes at all 4 corners, and custom HRE wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s. A strange engineering Ford 9-inch rear end ensures power is efficiently transferred to the road, while a fully custom safety cage adds rigidity and safety to the interior. Ringbrothers didn't completely abandon their American roots. They replaced the original DBS V8 with a 5.0-liter Ford Coyote V-8, meticulously built by Wegner Motorsports. This engine features a custom 2.65-liter HAPOP supercharger, pushing the power output to an impressive 805 horsepower, just shy of the current twin-turbocharged V12-powered Vanquish. A modified fuel system keeps the engine well-fed, and a custom Ringbrothers exhaust system delivers the symphony of sound you'd expect from such a beast. Behind the engine sits a Bowler-modified TR6060 Magnum 6-speed manual transaxle, which shifts some of the weight to the rear axle for improved handling. Octavia is a combination of state-of-the-art fabrication and imagination, said Ringbrothers co-owner Jim Ring. We asked ourselves, what would an MI6 agent drive on holiday? This was the result. The engineering and attention to detail in this project are unparalleled. Ringbrothers is grateful to their partners, including Gentex, HRE Wheels, BASF, Regal Design, and more, who contributed to creating something truly extraordinary. Given the significant changes in proportions, the entire body of the DBS needed a complete overhaul. Ringbrothers collaborated with Gemini Technology Systems to craft the fully carbon fiber bodywork you see today. The original car's profile is barely recognizable, adopting more cues from the Vantage of that era. And this is the part most people miss. The result is a car that is not only visually stunning, but also a testament to modern engineering. Octavia is arguably one of the most beautiful Aston Martins ever created. The interior is equally impressive, though it does reveal the aftermarket influences more clearly. If Octavia drives even half as well as it looks, Ringbrothers might just have a real winner on their hands. That said, we can't help but wonder what the brand could achieve with a proper Aston powertrain under the hood. Born and raised in Metro Detroit, associate editor Lucas Bell has spent his entire life surrounded by the automotive industry. He may daily drive an aging Mustang, but his Porsche 944 and NB Miata both take up most of his free time. So, what do you think? Does Octavia respect the original design, or does it stray too far from the classic Aston Martin aesthetic? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.